In this video, I'll show you how to change language on Binance. First, open the Binance app on your phone or go to the Binance website and log in to your account. You can change the language from the app or the website, so use whichever version is easier for you. If you are using the Binance app, start from the home screen. Tap the profile icon in the top left corner to open the main menu. From there, scroll down and look for Settings. Tap Settings, then find the option called Language. Once you open the language menu, Binance will show you a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and choose the language you want to use. For example, you may see English, Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, Turkish, Arabic, and other supported languages. After selecting your preferred language, the app should update automatically. In some cases, you may need to close and reopen the Binance app before all menus appear in the new language. If you are using Binance on a computer, go to the Binance website and log in. Look near the top right area of the page for a globe icon, language option, or settings menu. Click it. Then select your preferred language from the list. After you choose a new language, the Binance website will refresh and display the platform in that language. If it does not change right away, refresh the page or log out and log back in. If you cannot find the language option, make sure your Binance app is updated to the latest version. On mobile, you can also check your phone's system language settings because some apps may follow the device language depending on your region and app version. Changing the language only changes how the menus and text appear on Binance. It does not change your account country, currency, verification status, payment methods, or trading settings. Before making any transactions, make sure you understand the labels and instructions in the new language, especially when confirming deposits, withdrawals, or trades, and that's how you change language on Binance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.